At this point in time, we want to make use of another function in Excel, and the function we are talking about is concatenate. Looking at this scenario wherein we have our last name and first name, we have Ekaite, Francis Ekaite, up to Oladele Segun. But after you have typed your list, you have presented your table in this format, and something just occurred, you were asked to combine the last name and the first name, that they should be in a column instead of separating them into two columns. That is when concatenate comes to play. So let us go through this together. Now, to start with, you input your equals to. Equals to what? Equals to concatenate. Concatenate, you press tab. Concatenate means you are combining. Concatenate what? Combining what? Combining the last name for Francis with his first name, which is Ekaite. Now, how do we go about it? Where do we have Francis? We have Francis in cell B4. So concatenate cell B4, that is, combine cell B4 with what? Now text 1. After text 1, you have your comma. Because we want to have space between the names, we have to input double quote, space, double quote. Then you put your comma again. Now concatenate B4 space with what? C4, wherein we have our Ekaite, that is C4. Then you close the bracket and press enter on the keyboard. So here we have Francis Ekaite. Instead of you typing, you start typing Francis Ekaite. Alright, Ekaite. You move typing, so you can make use of this function to save your time and to make you work like a pro in Excel. What do you need to do? We will now run it down. So we have everything in place. Oladele Segun, okay, it's combined. We have Zacchaeus Matthew and the rest of them. So we can do it in this way. That is method 1. Okay, let us see, assuming you are not inputting the space here, let us erase space. If I am to erase space, you only concatenate cell B4 and C4. Let us press enter. So we have Francis Ekaite truly, but the space is not there. If you run it down, it will be for every name that we have here, but we don't want it that way. So you just have to include your space. Concatenate, right? B4, that is, combine B4 space and C4. That is what we have done for concatenate. The second method is the use of ampersand. Ampersand is shift 6 on your keyboard. When you press shift 6, you have your ampersand. Right, that is ampersand. What do we want to do? We want to combine. It will now be equal to B4, that is B4 ampersand what? Space again. Ampersand, here you will not use your comma. Ampersand quote, space, another quote, then C4, which is our Ekaite, C4, and you press enter. Sorry, something is missing. Alright, we are missing our ampersand. B4 ampersand space C4, then you input another ampersand. Right, you now press your enter key on the keyboard. So we have Francis Ekaite, and you run it down. So this is good. So we can use our concatenate or ampersand in another way as well. You can import text or words into your concatenate. What do we want to do now? If we are to write my name is, now let us see that, equals to concatenate. We want to concatenate what? My name. So you are going to use double quotes. You now type my name is, then end of quotes. Now you have your comma. My name is. So we need space again. You hold shift, you input your quotes, then comma. My name is what? My name is Francis Ekaite, as we have it here. Let us do that. Then you close the brackets. So let us press enter. Can you see what we have? My name is Francis Ekaite. Let's make it block letters. My name is Francis Ekaite. Okay, we press enter. So we have it that way. My name is Francis Ekaite. We have it for every member. So we are good to go. Oh, sorry, something is missing. Okay, all right. Oh, I made mistake. I've typed my name is Francis Ekaite already. Okay, that is, let us remove that. My name is, so we stop at my name is, right? Let's do it. My name is. Then you press enter and you run it down. Good, we are good to go. So this, among other things, you can use concatenate as a function in Microsoft Excel 4. You can as well, okay, let's delete this. You can come up with your concatenate. You you come to date formula. So you come to insert function, then you look for your concatenate. You can take all. You look for your concatenate here, it should be C. Concatenate, right? You click on concatenate what? Now concatenate C4. That is the first one. C4. The second one is space. You have your space, and the third one is this. The first one is B4. Sorry, the first one is B4. Then the last one is C4. Press enter. So computer will do that for you. You have it like that. You run it down. So you are still having the same thing. So it's quite simple and straightforward. So apart from all these, let me copy this sheet so that you get what. So I've copied the sheet. Now let us delete all this. We have deleted all this. We were asked to combine Francis and Ekaite, I mean the last name and the first name, for this set of people. Like I said earlier, instead of start typing Francis Ekaite, right? We have Ekaite. Quickly wanted to type. You don't need that. There is another function in Excel, or yes, another command. Let us put that way. Another command in Excel that comes handy when it comes to something of this nature. So we may not want to use concatenate. So the function or the command or the tool we're talking about is flash fill. In previous versions of Microsoft Excel, you may not find flash fill, but in 2016, I'm quite sure you have a flash fill function. What is the function of this flash field? Let us see. Let us locate our flash field. The flash field is located under the data tab, and you have it in data tools. You have flash field here. What's the function of this flash field? In Microsoft Office Excel 2016, now we want to combine the two names, I mean the last name and the first name, making use of flash field. We are going to make use of flash field, and flash field, you go to data, and under data tools you have your flash field. Computer will look at the ways, the sequence you are going to follow in typing your names, and it will use that to complete the list for you. How do I mean? Let's go in doing this together. We have Francis Ekaite. Press enter. Alright, now computer has seen it that you type the first name followed by the last name. You can flash fill from here. You can type 2 if you so desire. You see, immediately I started typing Adeola Toby, which is the second name. Computer has suggested, you can see there that we have Shinedu, Adeola Ibrahim up to Oladele Shegun. So computer is suggesting that is that what I wanted to do, and since that is what I wanted to do, I will press enter, and we have everything in place. So we have our Adeola, Shinedu, and the likes. So if, no matter how long the list is, computer will complete it for us. Now let us delete this and type our Francis Ekaite again. Francis Ekaite. You press enter. You can flash fill from here. You click on flash fill. Computer will do that for you as well. Another thing we can do, assuming you have them together like this, you can as well separate them. Now let us type Francis. You have Francis. Press enter, followed by Adeola. You see the same thing played out here. You have them going down, then you press enter. So you want to separate. You have Ekaite. Let's see how that will go. Ekaite. Okay, let us see. Toby is the next person. So what do we have? We have equally separated the two names into first name and last name. So all you need to do is just type your last name and first name. Alright, so that is how you can make use of your flash fill in Microsoft Office Excel. So in previous version may not have this flash fill, but for 2016 I'm very sure you have that function there, which is flash fill. I want to believe you have enjoyed yourself for today, I mean in this tutorial. If this is so, kindly click on subscribe button below this video and click on notification bell so that whenever any new video is uploaded, you are going to be notified. And also don't forget to leave your comment and share the video so that others can benefit as well. Thank you.